Hey, good morning. I'm Councillor Thomas. I'm standing here right in my division office in Mount Salem. Right? Talking to you is not necessarily the best moment I wanted to be doing it. However, we have to do what we have to do as the leaders. Yesterday afternoon there was a murder just on the main road down there in the shop place at Mystery Shop, right? Where you have Mystery Shop there, you have a bar down here, you have a little concessionaire stand over there, and in close proximity to the Mount Salem police station, less than 30 meters across there. Plus we are also in a zone of special operation that is active as also. Now for a murder to take place at this time of the day, at after 6 in the afternoon, it's broad daylight, people are just getting home for work. It only means that the crime in St. James is very, very bad and it needs to be addressed immediately. I'm sure you've seen of the headlines of the paper of that gruesome slashing of the throat of that young boy yesterday, just over there also in Fairfield Irwin. It is not good. It is not something that a parish should have to live with. The government, the Prime Minister need to cut the arrogance, cut the blame game and take action because they have the power. Something needs to be done. We cannot have the people in St. James suffering under these conditions of fear based on just some people, a few people running around, shooting, killing whomever they want, whenever they want, at whatever time. The year has just started and the records is not looking good. So I'm saying to everyone, this is very serious. St. James crime needs to be addressed. The people who are in charge take actions, make decisions, whatever it takes, let us get it done. Because law-abiding citizens must be able to go about their business, live in peace, live freely. Right? So we really need to take some serious action towards this crime that is here. I mean, look how close the police station is. Can you imagine that? 30 meters away, and in a zone of special operation, and a busy afternoon. Plus there are other killings that are taking place all over the parish. So for those who are in authority, let us take actions. No more political blame games. No more blaming opposition. No more blaming that. The Prime Minister, the Minister of National Security, you are in charge. Be in charge. If you cannot manage your job, resign from your position and let others make a better attempt at it.